Just bought your new screen protector for your iPad? Then follow the video for the installation guide. First, you need to make sure you are in an environment free of dust and airflow. In the package, you will find the applicator, installation guide, and cleaning kit. First, use the wet wipes to clear the screen from dust and fingerprints. Secondly, dry the iPad screen with the microfiber cloth included in the package. Remove the remained dust using the dust removal sticker without causing any fingerprints. Apply the applicator correctly on the screen, and you will find an arrow showing the top of your screen. Pull out the dust removal layer gently, and then remove the applicator slowly. Use the microfiber cloth to push out the air bubbles between the screen. And finally, your Blupebble screen protector installed quick and easy for your iPad.